Hi everybody, it's me, Darlene Walker, bringing you another Poofy Organics product highlight. And this time I want to share with you our orange lavender shampoo bar. That's Gabe. And this is, it looks like this. It's a nice, really thick bar soap. Smells absolutely incredible. It does, our shampoo bars do come in 2 scents. This is the orange lavender, and we also have a mint, so depending on what you like. But I use it for everything, especially for traveling. I use it for traveling. I don't usually use it in the house as much, but when you're traveling, you can use it for your hair, you can use it for washing, and you can use it for shaving. So when it comes to packing for a flight, that really reduces those little bottles that you have to put in your baggies. It really helps so that you can put other stuff in your little bottles and baggies. So if you're looking for something to help make your travel more eco-friendly and a little more easy, this would be an option. Orange lavender shampoo bar. If you have any questions, put them below and I'll be happy to answer them.